Depth is often the hidden element that separates ordinary layouts from cinematic ones. Today, how to explore professional depth compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Begin with a dark charcoal background and add a subtle radial gradient behind the center area. Insert a wide rectangular frame and upload your main image. Adjust the crop carefully so the focal subject stands out immediately. Duplicate the frame 3 times and place each copy behind the original. Increase the size of every duplicate slightly and reduce transparency progressively to create smooth dimensional depth. Add a smaller supporting frame near one corner and place a secondary image inside.